But I think it has to reach a point kwamba yani, if I should not be expecting what I was getting from James, I get from John. Haiwezekani. If I am with John, nipate tu what John can provide, not what James can provide. Apart from that, I think we are giving these men a lot of pressure.
Yes.
Apart from that, it's not kwamba they are not allowed to provide. They are allowed to provide because even the Bible says the man is the lead. Yeah. So you are allowed to provide. Lakini I also think kuna kile kitu cha kwamba I'm expecting to be given a car. I can't buy a car right now, but I'm expecting to be given a. I don't know if you're getting me. And kuna zile so kuna zile expectations too. At least lower the bar kidogo if you can. But this is not for anyone who's against it. No. It's okay. If he's giving you, go for it. You deserve it.
Yes.
But there are some things kidogo